Yung tanong ko nga sa DFA, paano kung accepted na sa other
Yeah, that's
party?
right. Oo, paano yun?
So, ano implication nun, sir?
Well, kasi international relations na ito, we are not the only supreme being dito. We are also talking to another or involving another sovereign state, supreme, sometimes more powerful than us pa. Hindi na kasalalay dito sa 305 yung BFA kasi una sa lahat, the Senate resolution concurring with the BFA does not contain that phrase na mentioned by Senator Drilon, which appeared in 20 other treaties. Kasi 1999 ito eh. 1999 ito. The Senate concurrence 1999.